Detecting cancer in its earliest stages remains a top priority for cancer researchers. With an early diagnosis, survival rates can climb as high as 90%. But early detection is only part of the fight. As KENS 5's Jeremy Baker reports, having strong support after a diagnosis can make a powerful difference.
Hearing the 3 words, "you have cancer," can be absolutely devastating. But hearing the 3 words, "there is hope," and believing it is a must for anybody receiving a life-altering cancer diagnosis.
Nothing was more important than my wife as my caregiver and support.
Jamie Weslowski is a cancer survivor or cancer thriver. He was fortunate and had the means to receive treatment. But as the president and CEO of Methodist Healthcare Ministries, he knows how hard it is to navigate a cancer diagnosis if you don't have the means.
If you could imagine, first of all, getting that diagnosis, and then imagine being someone who barely gets by every day, trying to figure out how you're going to maneuver this.
The American Cancer Society annually promotes and updates screening guidelines, and we believe more awareness about screening guidelines is critically important. But even with screening guidelines, it's important that all of us pay attention to our bodies. If something doesn't feel right, we should certainly talk to our healthcare provider.
If you are screened and you get that cancer diagnosis, you may be looking for hope. That's where the Hope Lodge comes in to help break down barriers to necessary cancer care. This October, a new location is scheduled to open in San Antonio's Medical Center on Floyd Curl Drive.
We have people now that will be able to come and receive free lodging. We also have means through American Cancer Society to transport them, to get them to San Antonio and get them to the Hope Lodge.
This year alone, more than 160,000 people will be diagnosed with cancer in Texas, and a whopping 7,500 people every year come to San Antonio from over 50 miles away for life-saving cancer treatment. Not just the treatment, but also hope.
We recognize it might be very lonely, but we want you to hear directly from us that you're not alone.
To learn more about Hope Lodge and how you can help the missions of both Methodist Healthcare Ministries and the American Cancer Society, we have links with this story on KENS5.com. In the studio, Jeremy Baker, KENS 5.